dash off. To leave quickly or do something very fast. He had to dash off to catch the bus. I'll dash off to the store and be back soon. Blow out. To stop a flame by blowing. She blew out the candles on her cake. The match blew out in the strong wind. Chip in. To give money. Everyone chipped in to buy a gift. She chipped in some money for the party. Pass on. To refuse or not accept something. He passed on dessert because he was full. I'll pass on the coffee, thank you. Look out. To be careful or pay attention to danger. Look out, there's a car coming. He told the kids to look out while crossing the road. Fall apart. To break into pieces. The old chair began to fall apart. The old building is starting to fall apart. Splash out. To spend a lot of money on something special. She splashed out on a designer bag. I decided to splash out on a luxury dinner. Act up. To behave badly or not work properly. The kids started to act up in class. The engine acted up during the long drive. Ask around. To ask many people to get information. She asked around for a good doctor. He asked around about the missing bag.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!